Good Friday morning to all. Hope you are doing well and a good Erev Shabbos. Tomorrow we're going to be reading Parshas Pinchas. There's a lot of information there. And the Torah actually mentions that there was a census that was done to the nation of Israel as they prepared for their entry into Eretz Yisrael. Now, when it comes to the census provides for us a list of names, of tribes, of families within those tribes. In some situations, there's a variation between the name as it is shared earlier in the Torah and the name as it appears here. So we're going to focus on one example. In the tribe of Gad, we are told that there were families. And one of them was the family of Ozni. Ozni. Aleph, Zayin, Nun, Yud. Now, Rashi points out that if you look carefully, when the Torah in Bereshit gives us the list of the children of God, there is no Ozni. There's one who is called Itzbon. Aleph, Tzadi, Bet, Nun. So why was there a shift? Well, Rashi doesn't share with us why they changed. What he does note is, it's the same person. It's Bon turned into Ozni. That's what we are told. Why? Unclear. So there's a nice insight, perhaps not pshat, but nevertheless a very valuable message, presented by Rabbi Yeshayahu Horowitz, the great Shloh HaKadosh of the 17th century. And he shares with us the following. The Talmud points out that fingers, the human finger, looks like a peg. And the Talmud notes that if you want to know why it's shaped like a peg, it is because the Torah wants your finger to fit in your ear. And in the words of the Talmud, if you hear something that's not hagun, that's not appropriate, if someone wants to share with you information that you shouldn't be hearing, like Lashon Hara, right? Negative information about others. What you are supposed to do, the Talmud tells us, is put your etzba in your ozen. Yaniach etzba'o be'ozno. There's a lot of focus on Lashon Hara that we have to be careful what we say about others. But so too the Talmud's pointing out, be careful what you hear. If there's someone that unfortunately wants to share with you things that you shouldn't hear, you do your part not to hear it. Right? If there's no audience, it's not going to be shared. Yaniach etzba'o be'ozno. So says Rabbi Yeshayahu Horowitz that the Torah links the name Etzbon, which relates to Etzba, right? The name that appears in Bereshit, with Ozni, the way it appears here, because it's making reference to this idea that the Etzba at times has to go into the Ozen, and therefore the names were adjusted. Not a pshat, but a very important message, especially during a time when we are focusing, right, on strengthening relations with others, strengthening our sensitivity towards others, and recognizing the power of words, what negative words could do. Quite damaging. And on the flip side, how good nice words could do for others. When we give uplifting, encouraging words, a tremendous chesed could be done with the human mouth. But if unfortunately we're in a situation where the others don't have that sensitivity, let's remember that the etzba goes together with the ozen. Let's keep the negative out and only focus on positive. By doing that, we make ourselves, the world, a much better place. For now, it should be a wonderful Shabbos for all. Shabbat Shalom, and please take care. Bye-bye.